Exactly. So these guys came onto the market in their own right some years ago. Again, platinum production. They've got a bunch of different operations which are in the same geographic area. Remember, the Bafokeng tribe is the controlling shareholder here. That's been quite an interesting story. They retained those assets through the end of the day. Boschkoppie is the name of the one operation, and then Styldrift is the other. And they've got that stake in the Rasimone mine with Anglo Platinum. So that's the operations. But I must say, to be fair, done quite well operationally.
Company has a market cap, 10 billion rand, price to earnings ratio of 21.6, currently pays no dividends. Are we going now to a smaller tier of miner within the platinum environment? And the question we have to ask is whether their story is any different to the first tier.
I think yeah, each platinum miner does have very different stories. I mean, you can pick and choose in the sector. I mean, like I said, Eastern Plats was a fantastic opportunity for investors. Yeah, for us, we put out a speculative buy on Royal Bafokeng last year, November-ish. I mean, and that's specifically because of the sinking of the Styldrift 2 shaft. You know, obviously there's still, you know, a lot of feasibility studies to do and pre-feasibility studies. I mean, our only real concern, I mean, around the mine at the moment is the way that they're mining. Their UG2 grade, which is perhaps not as high as it should be, and we don't know if that's going to be a sustainable project for them, whether they're going to have to mine a lot of Merensky instead.
Paul, yes.
Good detailed stuff.
Very good detail there. There's the share price.
Yeah, going up, going down, sort of tracking sideways, similar to Northern, but without the little kicker at the end. I don't know.
Are we going to call it?
It's a 10 billion player, so we got to call it. It's part of the top League 5 club, but I'm going not hot on this one too.
Not hot. Gary.
No, like I said, a speculative buy. So I don't. I mean, they also, I think with the way that they structure, I mean, whenever you read their corporate reports, they're always much more optimistic about labor relations as well. So I think they've got they've got that going for them as well.
Can you do it? A spec buy?
No,
can
like
you call it hot?
I'm going to call it hot, but very, very speculatively, only for a small portion of your portfolio. Nothing too serious.
We got one hot out of today's conversation, and that is on a speculative basis. Paul?
Right, I'm going not hot.